second only to the bond between parents and children. You have told that most important people, the most important uh, person uh, you value is your parents, and some people said grand sister, brother, and some parents, some students said about that they value grandparents. Yes, grandparents have a very important role in our life, and they are the people who shower love without any, you know, selfishness. They are, they always shower the, wait. Chalo. Today, today's grandparents add another perspective. Perspective means viewpoint, that what you think, what others think, means there is a different way of thinking. Add another perspective means एक value add करते हैं. They may still provide the milk and cookies. Yes, chocolates, cookies. Cookies basically when the things are made with coconut, it is called cookies. The warm hugs. Hugs means to embrace, to love, to show the love in a public way. Publicly वो लोग अपना affection show करते हैं by hugging. And little extras. Little extras means कुछ coins दे दिए, कुछ पैसे दे दिए, या फिर अपनी तरफ से कुछ कपड़े ला के दे दिए, तो कुछ something extra they always provide. But our vision means the way, the what we see. What we see is vision. Sight, that is sight. This is sight of grandparents has changed. Earlier grandparents used to be, you know, old people with no fashion sense, with you know, always not the happening people. But nowadays you can see the grandparents who are very smart, active, and do they possess all the fashion sense, and they not only care for the children, they care for themselves also. So we no longer imagine the old motherly woman in house dress knitting, मतलब घर का कोई भी कपड़ा पहन के, मतलब not very fashionable person, knitting booties means जो small socks वगैरह होता है ना, जो बच्चे लोग पहनते हैं, स्मॉल सॉक्स, दैट इज जो कि वीव करके बनाया, बिन करके बनाया जाता है. एंड द ग्रे हेयर्ड, मतलब आजकल के जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं ना, वो अपने बालों को थोड़ा रंग वंग करके भी रखते हैं, मतलब दे डू नॉट वांट टू लुक old. Though change of the color, hair color is not the matter of aging, not always, but they try to hide it, and they want to look beautiful and fashionable, and it makes the grandchildren equally they think that their grandparents should look trendy, right? You people must be thinking मेरे grandparents तो बहुत smart है, they dress like this, they walk like this. So this is the changing. Earlier it was not like that. And the great, because this story is of western countries, so man smoking his pipe in the rocker, on the rocker means जो chair होता है ना, जो ऐसे ऐसे मतलब जो rock करता है, मतलब rock means झूलना, जो इधर उधर घूमता है, on the front porch means होता है balcony का एक part जहाँ पर है ना वो canopy type से बना रहता है, that is sort of balcony. If it is not two-story building, the front area of the house, this is porch. Grandparents today are multi-dimensional. Multi-dimensional means they are not only looking after the grandchildren, they are doing multiple things. They are going for the outing, they are possessing hobbies, they are taking care of themselves, and they are not, they are also pursuing new occupation. They are trying their hands in different things. They are still comparatively, that is what I say, they are still comparatively young and doing amazing things, interesting things. They are doing interesting things. They are vital means very active. Vital means full of life, active, intelligent, Interesting, yes, interesting. They are telling you different interesting stories, and while they move around, they gather the information and tell you different things that enhances your knowledge with a wealth means बहुत सारा जो संपत्ति होता है, that is wealth of information and knowledge. Yes, they do provide. They swim means there are grandparents who are fitness freak. They go for the yoga training, they swim, they lift weights, they run for the marathon. You must have heard about the old ladies or gents who run for marathon. It means they are pushing themselves. They are now the icon, ideological people who can be followed. When children see older person continuing, see older people continuing means continue करते हैं, मतलब ये नहीं है कि when you are young you do everything and once you reach a particular age you start doing, you start thinking yourself to be old and undesired, and you give up your all habits or all interesting thing, your hobbies, it's shunned. It's not like that. Now when you people, when the children see older people continuing to live active life, they see that good stuff comes with aging. And some people dread aging, like if people will age, what they will be fragile, they will be sick, they won't be doing anything, they will be the liability of the family. No, it is not anymore like that. Means if the grandparents are doing such things, it is a motivation and inspiration for the young children. मतलब बुढ़ापे के साथ कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि लाइफ एक्टिव नहीं रहेगा. So with aging good stuff too come, मतलब aging हो रहा है तो अच्छी चीजें भी हो रही हैं. Instead means apart from this of fearing the aging process, they learn how to age gracefully. Yes, so aging gracefully is important. Even if one is aging, it doesn't mean that they have to shun all their hobbies. They do not view the older population as frail. Frail means weak, and frail means weak, unwell, मतलब जो हमेशा sick रहते हैं, बीमार रहते हैं, scary, मतलब you are scared of the old people because they seek all attention. You think that they will be asking all the time, they will be asking for the help. So it is not like that. So more children likewise the more the elder interact means like we are interacting online, so when talking, interaction, conversation, that is with children and young people, the less hesitant means like few people hesitate to speak. मतलब they are not very much open to tell the tell their feeling, that is hesitant. They seem to be, a lot of elders are scared of teens. A lot of elders are scared of teens, but if they sit down with one and get into the dialogues means conversation, they see the goodness in them. Matlab people sometimes judge that teens are not good, but when teenagers are elders are teenagers are not uh, they are moody or like that, but it is not like that. If you sit with them, then you will realize कि भाई dialogue करने से, मतलब बात करने से, you will find so many achais, the goodness, the positive things in them. Similarly, if the youngster उसी तरह से youngster interact with the elders, they find a lot about their human attributes, मतलब qualities. Attributes means qualities. It is beneficial to both the young and the old alike to have a relationship with someone at the opposite end of life. ये हमेशा beneficial रहता है if both young and old एक जैसा, मतलब दोनों को. It's not that कि only young should come forward or the old should come forward. It should be um, vice versa, to have a relationship with someone at the opposite end of life. मतलब सामने वाले के साथ ऐसा relationship develop होना चाहिए. These days, more and more grandparents are playing vital role. Vital role means important role. Vital means important in the lives of their grandchildren. Millions of elders are discovering, मतलब ढूंढ रहे हैं. Discovering means they are finding it, the joy of becoming a grandparents. Children are developing a deep sense of belonging, means they feel like they are connected to their grandparents and to them, and are experiencing, they are feeling it, the security of, matlab, security means they give a sense of that you are secure, nobody can harm you. They give the security of unconditional unconditional love. It's the only relationship, says Dr. Arthur Kornhaber of the Foundation of Grandparenting, in which people are crazy about, means they are madly in love with each other, about each other, simply because they are breathing, in which means grandparenting keep in which people are crazy about each other simply because they are breathing, means whoever living beings, they all are caring about each other. Okay, so this chapter stands complete. So till now, up to this only. Okay, and we will continue with the, यहाँ पर shall I write bye? No. Okay, bye. See you.